Hi there Makeup Addicts, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Sarah and today I'm just going to be running through this pretty simple pumpkin spice latte autumn Halloween inspired glam eyeshadow look. So the first thing that we're going to do, like we do every time, is prime our eyelids. Today I am using the P. Louise base in 0.5 Rumour and I'm just patting that in with a brush, and then to get rid of the brush marks I will pat my beauty blender over it just to get rid of any marks. However, that felt a bit like a pointless effort because the next thing I'm going to do is take this MAC grease paint stick, I think it's called, in its black colour. I'm not entirely sure that they sell this anymore, but this is basically a really thick chunky pencil of a liner. It works really well as a dark base. It's just like a really creamy liner. You could probably use any liner as long as it was creamy enough to do this, but I just wanted to cover my entire lid in this and give myself as much coverage as possible. One layer wasn't quite enough, so I just kept going in and adding more. Then I took a Morphe M506 and I just wanted to blend out those edges so it became a bit of a black smoky eye really. This is a 506 and I must admit it was a bit of a chore to blend out that edge. I found myself putting quite a bit of pressure on my eyelid, but then this grease paint stick is what it says on the tin. It's pretty greasy, so getting it to move around was a bit difficult. I felt like I needed to warm it up before it would move around. So this took quite a while just to get it to where I wanted to get it to. I almost wish I had P. Louise's black eyeshadow base, because I think that would have done the trick maybe a little bit better. However, there's a really good reason why I didn't put an entire black base down and put a skin tone shade down instead, and that will all become clear in just a moment. So the next thing that I did was I went into my Natasha Denona Sunset, the latest palette in my collection. I absolutely love this palette, and I just took the shade Horizon on a clean M506 and I just basically put that down, laid it down where that black colour was fading out. So I laid it down all around the outside edge of my eye and then brought it down into that outer corner area as well, on top of the grease stick paint. I just wanted that entire ambient area to kind of diffuse out into this orange colour, and that'll come together towards the end of the look. Then I just spent a minute or two just really blending that outer edge out because it was pretty much a harsh line around that crease area and I just wanted to get rid of that. The beauty of these eyeshadows from this Natasha Denona palette mean that blending and diffusing out a single colour is so easy. So I felt like that worked really well. Then I just pinched together the 506 brush that I was using and just run this all along my lower lash line. I then decided that I'd lost a bit of the black on my eyelid, so I just took that grease paint stick again and just went over my eyelid to really deepen up that shade because I felt like I'd lost a bit of it. And then on the old 506 that I was using to blend that out in the first place, just spent a bit of time convincing that shade very carefully to blend out again without going too far into the Horizon shade that I'd put down. Once I'd done that, I then ran a black liner. This is the, do you remember the Gigi Hadid collaboration with Maybelline? This is that liner. I absolutely love this liner. It's so creamy and it just goes on so easily. I put this through my entire waterline and then brought it down a little bit further onto my lower lash line. Then it was time to add the glam. The best thing about the grease paint sticks is that they give you such a sticky base. So this shade Morgana looked absolutely immense when I put it on top, which was fantastic. Then I'm pretty much done. Curled my lashes, popped on some mascara, and that is this eyeshadow look done. I hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have, then go ahead and hit the like button. That really helps a small channel like mine. And if you enjoy videos like this, you might consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you're keeping well wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Little spoiler for everyone who made it this far in the video. At the point of recording, we have 294 subscribers. When that hits 500, there'll be a giveaway. Bye!